So today I'll be showing you how to use sticky notes on your MacBook Neo. So if you're new to your MacBook and you're used to using sticky notes on your Windows laptop, then you can create sticky notes using a built-in sticky note feature on macOS. This is called Stickies. So if you go to Spotlight and then just type Stickies like this, you should see Stickies. They come pre-installed in your MacBook Neo. And once you launch Stickies, you can tell it's launched because you're going to have Stickies right here. So you can come here to File and create a new note. So you can drag it exactly where you want. You can type on the note. Like that, and then place it exactly where you need it. And you can customize your sticky notes with some options. For instance, you can copy that text and then you can come here to color. You can change the color of the sticky note. You can change the font. You can make it bold, italic. You can underline, strike through, all that stuff, right? So that is basically how you can use sticky notes. It's literally that simple. So when you want to quit or to delete a sticky note, just click on this little box and then you can choose whether to save or delete that sticky note. And then you can quit the entire application by selecting quit. Thanks for watching and good luck.